Welcome back to the very last one of our December dailies, because it's been a mammoth effort, if I must say so. And I'm glad that some people have enjoyed it, but it's been very hard work, so I may not do it again. So I'm going to combine these last two pages because I'm running out of ideas, guys. Okay, so I want to put a nice little home on these pages. Now, can I try and use this awful glue? It did work earlier. And it's getting late, so I've really got to get a move on. I've spent ages looking through magazines for like pictures. Been quite pleasant. But obviously, New Year's Eve, and it used to be a time when everybody went out, went to the pub. But since the year 2000, when they started charging you to go into the pub for the evening on New Year's Eve in the UK, it's sort of, people more celebrate at home now. And I will be out around my friend's house, which I can walk home from, which is lovely. And we'll just be seeing in the new year, because it's lucky. It's a nice tradition, and apparently it's not good luck if you sleep through New Year's. I didn't know that because I always used to go to bed. I'm not a staying up late person. So I thought I'd do a nice homely page today and then just add some bits on. So New Year's Eve, I think, is all about having some fun. I don't think it's about food. I'm going to leave the food one off. I just found this quote: fun and friendships. I think we'll keep that bit. It is about celebrating your friends. So we're having that on. And you're going to wonder why I've got some grapes. Because while I was looking through the magazines, I found this page and it said that grapes are lucky in Spain at New Year, which I thought was a bit odd. So I sort of looked it up. And apparently, now I've got a magazine somewhere I can glue on. In Spain, they eat 12 grapes at New Year. And it's supposed to bring them luck, like, for the 12 months of the coming year. So I thought, well, I haven't got any grapes. But I found a picture in one of my gardening books. And I'm putting that on and hoping that'll do the trick and bring me some luck. Do you think it will? Let's keep our fingers crossed. And I found this in my magazine cutouts. And I do think it is a time when we can dream. We can dream about what is going to happen in the new year. It's a whole new year. So it's a case, don't sort of make all the mistakes that you made in the last one. Learn from them and go forwards. That's what I'm planning to do on my channel. Isn't it, Waddles? Oh yeah, found a little clock that I'm going to put on for midnight. I'm going to pop that down here because, you know, it's all about midnight. Got to last until midnight. Yeah, I thought that was quite strange. And I did find, I was looking everywhere for some champagne. Well, yeah, obviously not in my house. But, you know, I found this little bottle sticker thing. And I thought that would do as as a sort of, I'm gonna put it on the sofa. It's sort of grapes. If you drink champagne or wine, it's like grapes. I'm thinking of it like that, because in France it's lucky to drink champagne at New Year. So, you know, I'm going to do all the traditions of all the countries and bring myself as much luck as possible. So let's put down our fun and friendship first, because I think that's a lot of New Year. It's about having some fun with your friends. Let's get this one down. See what else we can add. And travel. Travel. I shall be travelling again this year. Over to Australia. It's the only place I travel to. See my little Millie and my daughter. And you, Dan, if you're watching. He doesn't like to be left out. And I wanted to put this on because this is a bit of Scotland. And one of the things we do at New Year in the UK, I don't know if it's the same sort of everywhere, but we sing a song called Auld Lang Syne. And it's, again, supposed to be lucky. So you all sort of hold hands and you sort of cross hands like this and you do this. I'm not going to sing because, you know, I won't subject you to that. It's not good. But I just thought we will pop that on. And I did have a little thing that said New Year's Eve somewhere. I don't know where that's gone. Come back to me. I've still got my little box. It's going to go away soon. Right, where did you go? Did I put it away? I must have done. Christmas? No. Oh, goodness me. It was there, guys. No. Oh, jingles. Okay, let me just find it. Oh, I got it. That was quick. So, obviously I want to wish you all a happy New Year. Whatever you do, whatever your way of celebrating. And obviously exchange kisses and hugs with your loved ones, because that sets a good tone for the rest of the year. I can't put that on there. I could, no I can't. I'm going to leave that. So that is us all completed, isn't it, Waddles? I know we've got a page at the back, but we're not worrying about that. We're done. So this is 30 and 35. So where are my numbers? Here's my letters. 30 and 35. I'm very tired today. I have threes here. So we have 30, and it's a double page spread. So we're going to put, I've got no noughts. We'll have to use, we can use the noughts off this one, or we'll use these. 30. And 31. Have I got a 1? I haven't got, oh, we'll use this. There we go. Mix and match them. I would have chosen the purple ones if I had to. There we go. That is my December daily, all finished. Wow, we made it. It went a bit wibbly wobbly at the end, but I am super happy that I actually finished it. I was determined to finish it. So there we go. Waddles and I would like to say thank you so much to everybody who's watched and commented throughout the month of December, because it's been going on a whole month. And I'll be glad to get back to regular videos, because it's a lot of work doing that. I'm going to get back to my grungy journals. So coming up on Sunday will be a flip through of my latest grungy journal that I've been working on in my spare time when I'm not doing this. So I hope you like that. If you are interested in it, please give me a heads up. Email me in the link that's in the description box to say you're interested, because it will be going in my Etsy shop. But obviously I want to give you guys first refusal. Okay, that's it. We're all done. Happy New Year, everybody.